to also state that this morning he met with Comrade Titus and he met with Comrade Chris Elliott this morning in solidarity, in reconciliation and peaceful resolution to all this matter. So I did accordingly. Obi's visit to Labour Party secretariat yesterday was not to endorse anybody. His visit was occasioned by his reconciliation move. If you recall, a lot of news has been flying around that he has not been a leader or been forceful or been directive in his appeal. So he came out to do reconciliation move. In his statement, he said, Julius Abure in his speech stated clearly how Obi came to the office. And Obi in his speech clarifies saying, while preaching peace in his mantra, to pursue for a better Nigeria for the poor. The leadership of the NLC and the TUC political arm, Comrade Titus Amber and Chris Elliott, who were informed also that Obi is traveling out of the country, hence, to honor their invitation, also met with him and extensively discussed some peace move with them. Obi had repeatedly maintained that his interest was to carry everybody along and also with a strong family that will midwife and bring out Nigeria out of the wood and not to support anyone against another. In all his meetings with all of the stakeholders, he has also maintained peace and urged all not to lose focus, but be purposeful for a free and free-suffering Nigeria from pain and plan. The LP Standard Bearer planned to continue meeting with crucial stakeholders and groups to achieve all-inclusive political family with a common dream of rescuing Nigeria, especially the obedient movement and all stakeholders. We thank you so much and we wish that this particular meeting will be fruitful towards a brave and very receptive Nigeria that all of us yearn for. Thank you very much.